Now, in exercise 1.4, we are going to see exercise 1.4 without, what is the question said? Without actually performing the long division method. Okay, without actual performing long division method, state whether the following rational numbers have terminating decimal expansion or non-terminating expansion. Without, they could carefully, without doing long division method, long division method, without doing long division method, show that or identify terminating or non-terminating, terminating or non-terminating or non-terminating. I wrote here in the short form. Okay, there is too much long question. Okay, I'm just going to read. Without actually performing the long division, state whether the following rational numbers are terminating decimal expansion or non-terminating repeating decimal expansion. Okay, we are going to see. First question that I have is the first 13 upon 3125. 13 upon 3125. What is the, अब इसको क्या करना है? Without actually doing long division method, terminating or non-terminating हमें identify करना है. By using fundamental arithmetic theorem, P by Q, it is the P by Q. Q का क्या करेंगे हम यहाँ पे? इसका फैक्टराइज करके देखेंगे 3125. लास्ट में 5 है, इसलिए 5 से हम डायरेक्टली लेके देखेंगे. 5 6 30, 5 2 625, then 5 5 to the 5 to the 10, 5 to the 10, 5 to the 5. Okay, mean we can write given rational number, we can write solution 13 upon 5 raised to the power 13 upon 3125 is equal to 13 upon 1 2 3 4 5 5 raised to the power 5. Okay, we can write directly, and it is terminating or non-terminating. अभी तो क्या हो गया? फैक्टराइजेशन ऑफ द क्यू हो गया. ओके, डिनोमिनेटर का हमने फैक्टराइजेशन किए. अब अगर इसका डिनोमिनेटर is in the form of 2 raised to the power n into 5 raised to the power n के फॉर्म में होगा, तो हम क्या बोलेंगे? given rational number is the terminating, और अगर नहीं है तो non terminating. So we can write 13 upon 5 raised to the power 5 into 2 raised to the power 0. Okay, therefore the given rational number having given rational number having terminating given rational number is a terminating decimal having terminating decimal expansion. Terminating decimal expansion. एक दो क्वेश्चन में अगर लूंगा तो आपका डाउट क्लियर हो जाएगा. ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन अगर हम देखते हैं, मैं देखता हूँ आपका फोर्थ क्वेश्चन. ओके, 15 upon 600. और सेकंड फोर्थ क्वेश्चन यहाँ पे अगर मैं देखता हूँ 15 upon 1600. As usual, what we have to do, we have to identify this rational number is terminating or non-terminating decimal expansion. Okay, so what we have to do, 1600 का क्या करना पड़ेगा? पहले फैक्टराइज करना पड़ेगा. 1600 का फैक्टराइज अगर करते हैं तो 2 से जाता है, 0 0, अगेन 2 से जाता है, 4 से अगेन किससे जाता है 200 अगेन किससे जाएगा 100 अगेन किससे जाएगा 50 अगेन किससे जाएगा 25 5 से जाएगा 5 5 1 ओके सो 1500 सॉल्यूशन में हम क्या लिखेंगे हमें क्या आइडेंटिफाई करना है दिस गिवन रैशनल नंबर इज टर्मिनेटिंग और नॉन टर्मिनेटिंग 15 upon 1600 we can write 15 upon 2 raised to the power how much 1 2 3 4 5 6 2 raised to the power 6 into 5 raised to the power 2 means this in the given rational number denominator having prime factorization in the form of 2 raised to the power 6 into 5 raised to the power 2 therefore the given rational number having terminating decimal exponential. Therefore, the given rational number having terminating terminating decimal exponential. Because its denominator having because the given rational number in the given rational number denominator having factors is in the form of 2 raised to the power n into 5 raised to the power n. Therefore, this is the terminating this given rational number is terminating decimal exponential. Given number is terminating decimal exponential. Decimal exponential. पॉज करके लिख लेना ओके हम और एक एग्जांपल लेके देखते हैं तो फिर और अच्छे से क्लियर हो जाएगा एक क्वेश्चन दिया है उसमें 7 वाला 129 अपॉन 2 raised to the power 2 5 raised to the power 7 into 7 raised to the power 5 okay then in this example 129 in this rational number 129 upon 2 raised to the power 2 5 raised to the power 7 into 7 raised to the power 5 in this given rational number there is directly mentioned 2 raised to the power 2 5 raised to the power 7 into 7 raised to the power 5 only which two our desire only क्या रहना चाहिए सिर्फ रहना चाहिए 2 raised to the power n into 5 raised to the power n यहाँ पे क्या एक्स्ट्रा है 7 raised to the power 5 एक्स्ट्रा है therefore this is not non-terminating decimal exponential the given rational number having denominator the rational number having denominator not in the form of 2 raised to the power n into 5 raised to the power n. Therefore, this is non-terminating decimal exponential.